Higher Maths, straight line, exercise 13b, question 3, looking at collinearity. Question 3, a fly lands at this point on coordinate diagram, walks in a straight line to the other point. On its journey, did it walk over point 3, -1, or 3, 0? Right, let's have a look at this. So it's basically saying, are those 3 points in a straight line? So we can treat it as a collinear question. So we'll work out the gradient of AB first of all. So substituting in our values, we get -5/2 for the gradient of AB. Next step, we will look at the gradient of AC, because if the fly walked in a straight line, the gradient of AC must be equal to the gradient of AB. So we'll substitute in our values. So just again using y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we're doing -1 subtract -5. And then I've got these two numbers at the bottom the wrong way around here, guys. We're not substituting them properly. It should be 3 minus 5, which would give a gradient of -2 rather than just 2. But -2 is not equal to -5/2. So therefore, A, B, and C are not collinear. The fly did not walk over the point 3, -1. So we need to check the point 3, 0 as well. And again, I've substituted in incorrectly here. This should be 3 minus 5, and I've substituted in, which would give a gradient of -5/2. Okay, so easy to make a mistake. I've made a mistake there. I've just spotted it in my solutions. But this should be -5/2. And then we need the statement, as the points are collinear. So remember, every single time, guys, we've got to say AB is parallel to AD. And since A is a common point, A, B, and D are collinear. So it's the lines that are parallel, it's the points that are collinear. The fly did not walk over 3, 0. Sorry, the fly did walk over the point 3, 0.